As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Spirit E-310. What do you think?
Interesting choices. The Charbroil is definitely more budget-friendly, like $139 compared to the Weber's $449.99. Big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, price is a factor. But what about the actual grilling? The Charbroil has two burners putting out 20,000 BTUs and a side burner, while the Weber has three burners pushing 19,000 BTUs, no side burner though.
Right, and that translates to cooking space too. The Charbroil offers 280 square inches, and the Weber offers 360. More space for those burgers and dogs on the Weber?
True, but the Charbroil is also smaller overall, at 45.6 inches wide, making it good for smaller spaces. The Weber's almost 49 inches wide. And it weighs a lot less. The Charbroil is only 37.5 pounds, whereas the Weber is almost 100 pounds.
Good point about the size and weight. But the Weber boasts porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are known for even heating and easy cleaning. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates. Sounds like a difference in quality to me.
Yeah, I see that. And Weber also highlights its flavorizer bars that vaporize drippings to add flavor. Kind of fancy, huh?
Definitely a step up. Plus, the Weber has a 10-year warranty, while the Charbroil's warranty is shorter and varies by part. 5 years on the burners, 2 on the firebox, and 1 on everything else.
Okay, so the Weber seems like a higher-end grill with better materials, more cooking space, and a longer warranty. But it's also significantly more expensive and bigger.
Exactly. If you're on a budget and need something compact for a small patio, the Charbroil might be a decent option. But if you're serious about grilling, have the space and can swing the cost, the Weber Spirit E-310 seems like the better investment for long-term use and features.
I think you've convinced me. I'm leaning towards the Weber. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.